Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I was just filling up these details, so I thought of sharing this video with all of you. So you can see here, I have made this video. So it's like AI content generation from vidIQ. So I would suggest you guys to use vidIQ, and I have shared the link in the description box. You can use that link to create your own account, and also if you want, like if you feel that there are some features that will be beneficial for your account YouTube channel, so you can just go for pro version. I would suggest you to go for boost version, because if you are a beginner of using this app, so you can try up with pro version, and when you feel like you are getting good results, then you can think of like again having that pro version, or again maybe switching your pro version to boost version. So I have like pasted the link in the description box. You can go for it, and you can check out the like platform with IQ platform, and you can create your account, and you can do whatever you feel that is good for your channel. So yeah, you can see it right here. So I have copied the link right here. You can see it here. Here's the link to go for it. And again, you can see this, like I have added some detail in the description box, then some suggested queries. And let me show you other things. Okay, first thing is we need to add one this thumbnail. Okay, and right now you can see 20 by 22 by 50. So we need to make it 50 by 50. Let's do it together. Okay, so here I have prepared the thumbnail, so I'm just going to download it. Okay, so it's done. Here I'm going back here my channel, and then I will be adding this thumbnail. Okay, I'm adding this thumbnail here. You can see it right here. Okay, after this, it's done. Let's select a playlist. I have created with IQ named playlist, so you can see it right here. So let's come to the main part, that is tag. So here you can see it's 22 by 50. Let's go for full report so that we can understand whatever things are right here. I don't know why it's not working. So okay, let's check it later. Let's come here again, and I just want to increase this score to 50 by 50. I know it has crossed the limit, but we'll change it later. Like this, we can find overall. So keyword volume 68.3, and everything we can understand it from there. Okay, let's add one with IQ app. You can just keep on checking this SEO score, right? It's 28 now. It's 29.9. Okay, what else we can add? Let's do one thing. Okay, let's go to this, and from there I will be understanding this thing. So what we need to do, we just need to look for search volume, then we will be looking for competition and overall score. So search volume should be too high, like lakhs or million. Competition should be either medium or low. Okay, so let's go for it. AI video, AI, you can see this is search volume. Okay, it's like 6 million, but competition is very high. Then fine, we can go for it. Maybe our video can also get ranked on like YouTube. So I'm using this because you can see search like competition is too low, but search volume is fine. So artificial intelligence. Okay, AI tools, AI video generator free. It's 1.2 lakh, but competition is low, so we will be using this too. YouTube automation. Okay, this too. Maybe it will be crossing the 500 character limit, so we'll check it once and then we'll come back here. Let's put chat gpt also. YouTube niches, this is not related to our video. Let's not go for this one. Very high. Okay, chat gpt, we have already added this one, but it was like chat then space then gpt. Let's come coming, you can see it right here, it's like 500 by 500. Okay, but still we are struggling with this thing. Okay, so let's understand what else we can remove and what we can add. Let's add one thing, it's like content creation. Okay, but if it has crossed the limit, so let's delete this. Okay, it's like kind of thing where you need to sit and you need to do when you use pro version of it, so it's too much easier when you use boost version of the same thing. So okay, just keep on checking this thing, this should not get decreased when we add any tag, right? You can see I used vidIQ AI with YouTube and YouTube tool, and it is like constantly increasing continuously. It increases, it's not like I'm using any tag and it is getting down. So now I'll use SEO, and then after this I'll use AI content. I'll write, now you can see it right here, we have made it 50 by 50, right? It's like we should cover all topics that will be falling under our title. Okay, now you can see we can still add a few tags because we have like around a few characters left, so you can see it here. So more than 100 characters are there that we can use and we can go for it. So let's do it. So what we can do, we can just go for AI content, and from there we can go for some medium or low competition keywords. But it should be like competition should be low, but search search capacity, search volume should be too high. Okay, if this is not, then we will go with any other keyword that will be having good search volume but low, or say medium, very low. But the thing is, first, this is not at all related to our video, and I don't want any keywords to get added on my video where that is not at all relevant to my content. So try to avoid these kind of things, right? Okay, now YouTube growth. Sorry, I made some mistake. I think spelling mistake. Growth. Just keep on checking this, right? It should not go down. If it is going down, then we need to remove that particular keywords. It also provides us voiceover, so I have added all these keywords, you can see it right here. So it's like we are still left with 40 keywords that we can, sorry, 40 characters. Okay, so let's do one thing, we will be going back with this AI generator, we'll be clicking right here, and then we will be check out whether there are some particular keywords that can cover our 20 words, 20 characters, right? So what we'll do, we'll again look for competition should be low or medium, but search volume should be higher, even in millions or in lakhs. So we need to use those kind of keywords where we, our content or whatever video we are making, we can like make it to get ranked on a higher, at the higher position, and we can stand out with as compared to other creators whoever are doing well on YouTube. So you can see it right here. So we have used these two also, right? Now you can see it's 491. Still we have 9 characters left that we can cover. So again, I'm going back to content idea, and from there you can see it's like content ideas have medium competition, but when it comes to search volume, you can see 13,438 its search volume. So it's something where like we should focus on, but I think there would be some better keywords. If I talk about YouTube channel idea, so we can go for this, because maybe competition is high, but still you can see the search volume, it's 88,726. Maybe your content will also get ranked somewhere. So we can just take risk when it comes to, say, last a few keywords, because we have already covered all the keywords that can help us to grow our channel. Okay, and finally I'm adding this, but still we need to remove something, so I have removed this. And maybe what else I can do is, okay, I'm removing this. I think by mistake I've removed something else, but still it's 50 by 50. Just take care of this count, right? So let's go for AI generator again. I just want to use that like 500 character to the fullest. It's not like we are leaving anything behind or something like this, but whatever provisions are right here, we should utilize in the best possible manner. So you can see it here, AI generated thing. So it's like competition is too high, but search volume is 60,583. So we can go for it, and we can go for it, and then 15,000 is not too much. So free AI image generator. So this can be also done by vidIQ app. So here you can see it's now 512. So we can remove free AI tools, right? That you can see. Now what we can see, we can, okay, tag one more thing when it comes to vidIQ app. So make sure that you are using something like vidIQ versus TubeBuddy. So it's like TubeBuddy, okay. So whoever is looking for these kind of keywords, your video also will also get ranked. Now it's done from my end, so you can see it here, it has been done very nicely. Now we will be clicking to next, we will be turning on it, and then we will be again proceeding. We will be rating our content, or like whatever things we have done, submit rating, and after that we are good to go for next. Then after that, what we need to do is we need to go to next, and we need to go to add like subtitles. Here one auto sync will come, you need to click here, done. If you have your script ready, then you can just upload it here, and then and one add screen, end screen one, you can make it right. And if again, if you want to edit it, and also add if you want people to suggest a few more things, so you can then just go for it, and you can select a few videos where you feel that you can get good engagement. And now it's save. Okay, so it's done. Now go for cards. In cards, either you can even in that previous things also, you could have maybe added one complete playlist. So I'm adding this with IQ, and then again I'm going to card. I would be looking for a few videos where I have done better work, and where that will also be helpful to my audience. So I will be looking here, and then when it comes to again any video, so we will be looking for some maybe secrets, YouTube secrets. Okay, so these are the things that we can do. Let's add one more, because we can add up to 4 in the screen. So here, what else we can, okay, let's add this one, and now it's done. Okay, so yeah, that's all that we need to do when it comes to uploading any content on YouTube. Then we will be publishing, like clicking on public, and then save it, and then we are good to go to publish it. I'm just going to finish this. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.